Hey guys, good morning. This is 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm shooting. It's just because it gives me a lot of energy and it gives me a lot of boost. So yeah, for those of you who don't know me, this is Shruti Kirti and I run a YouTube channel which is concerned basically about fashion, beauty, makeup and essentially skincare. I also have an Instagram handle which is catered around fashion and makeup challenges. So if you just want to go and check out, just click the link in the description box below. Today, as the topic suggests, I'm gonna talk about serums. And serums are really essential for your skin because it has if it goes wrong with your skin, it can produce acne, it can produce pigmentation, and you have to really analyze, sit back and think what kind of skin texture you have. Yeah, let's dive into the video and let's get started. Okay, so my situation over here is not to talk about serums, not to promote serums. I am just over here to talk about what a serum, if gone wrong, does to your skin. So right back, I was using a serum. I would not just call out the brand, but it is not suitable for my skin, but it really suited for my mom's skin. So I'm just not gonna say that. So you can just go on and just choose what is best for you. So it just gave me acne. I've just recovered from that. Over here also, as you can see, still some of them are left. So also there is nothing in the base. I've just applied some mascara, that's it, and some eye makeup. I have not applied anything on my face just because to let you guys know what situation I was in. So yeah, I was using the wrong skin type serum, and there are several steps to apply serum. The first thing is that you're gonna do a face cleansing. Face cleansing should not be compromised. It should be a daily task. It should be done twice a day at least. So yeah, I was doing the face cleansing, then I was doing the toning, and then I was using face mist, and then I just started using my serums, and after that I used to put makeup. So that essentially that ladder should be kept noticed. It should be kept undertaken and understood that you follow the ladder. You don't just go ahead and put that serum on your face. Do not do that. One serum that has really changed my way of looking at it, and it has really made me my skin glow like anything. Pigmentation has been just reduced, and apart from that, no fine lines, nothing. It also helps in anti-aging. So this is the serum I'm talking about. This is the Blue Nectar serum. It is something of some sort. It has almost 26 herbal nutrients in it, and it has antimicrobial and anti-aging properties. It has saffron and sandalwood in it that essentially helps us to reduce the fine lines, pigmentation, anti-aging. Also, it helps you to reduce the bacteria which is left to your skin. It can also act as a makeup base for all the makeup beginners out there. It's just for $8.99 if I'm not wrong. I'm just gonna link the link as well as the cost in the description box below, so you can go ahead and create makeup looks by applying it on the base of your skin texture. Also, not to worry about, this serum is for all the skin types. This serum is for your oily skin texture as well as your dry skin texture. So I've been using this serum in the nighttime routine and also before applying any makeup, and I am seriously amazed by this serum. What I do is I really clean my face and I apply a bit of serum over my skin. I just apply a bit of serum over my skin, and then with my fingers I just, can you see that? With my fingertips, I just rub that serum and let it absorb to my skin. I do not pamper it. I do not, hamper it and, just start rubbing my skin very harshly. Do not do that. Serums are very, there have to be some connection with your massaging and also with the kind of skin type you have. So if the massage goes wrong, you will be able to face acne and pigmentation. So like this, I just, with the slow hands, using the fingertips, I just massage it. like this. Okay, I just massage it like this, and I leave this serum for a bit, like for 10 minutes to 5 minutes, to just keep it and soak it. So can you see the difference of the right hand side as well as the left hand side? Left hand side looks very dry and dull, and the right hand side looks very hydrated. So serum also helps you to hydrate your skin. So apart from drinking water, serum bhi le hi lo. Matlab, keep it in your daytime as well as nighttime. So it's done. I mean, I can now put makeup, I can now put anything on my face. I am like sure कि अब तो कुछ नहीं होगा मेरी skin में. But ऐसा नहीं है. You have to take care of your skin. You have to take care of your face structure that you have, the skin type that you have, and what you are specifically putting to your skin. So next question that is popping up on my Instagram that I did some of the Q&As is why do you have to use serum before the makeup? So it just acts as a baseline. It acts as just giving you a nice texture, hydration to your skin. If you already have very 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 oily skin, you can skip this step. So I have like Sahara Desert over here. It's seriously a Sahara Desert over here. So I make it a point that I just use serum over my face before I dive into my makeup. So yeah, that is why I use it. And the third question which was popping up was that how to use the right serum for your skin type. So basically, my dear, what I do is I go to the shop. I don't buy online. So serums, skincare, online mat kharido. Okay. Go to the shop. Online तब खरीदो when you really know कि अच्छा ये वाला brand तो मुझे suit करता है, ये वाला brand तो I have already tried, so that nothing can go wrong with it, right? So then only you go and buy that skincare products from the online stores. So go to that online kiosks and try putting serum over your hands, over this area of your hands, and try feeling the texture. Try feeling if that is too greasy or too oily to your skin. Do not buy it. If your skin is very dry, it acts like very oily, very greasy, and it's not at all sticking to your face texture, but it is overall completely making it so oily. Do not buy it. Okay, also just try taking down the texture of the serum. If it is not at all very oily and it is just spreading up evenly to your skin texture, to your surface of your arms, just I was really impressed by the texture of the serum. So yeah, I mean, it is very essential that you go around and see the products that are natural to your skin. Do not pick up products which are highly chemical based, which has parabens, sulfates, ammonia, which has a lot of chemical ingredients mixed to it. Try taking out natural products, and this one is my go-to. So yeah, that is up for this video. I hope you guys like it. It's a small video giving you a quick tips on the serums and what you should use and what you should not use. So yeah, see you next time.